Get powerful performance without the hassles of gas. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT brushless blower. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero emissions. The BL brushless motor delivers up to 120 mph air velocity and 473 CFM of air volume. And with a 6-stage air velocity volume selection dial, you can control the exact power you need for different applications. You get it all, but without the noise, emissions, maintenance, and expense of a gas-powered blower. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
Introducing the world's most powerful cordless blower, the Ego Power Plus 580 CFM blower. Blow through rocks, leaves, and thick debris at an unrivaled 580 cubic feet of airflow per minute. Equipped with a variable speed control and speed lock to find the desired power for any task. Equip the included flat and tapered nozzle attachments to power through debris. The Ego Power Plus blower is 50% quieter than gas blowers. Get the job done without the noise, fuss, or fumes. And with the weather-resistant construction, there's no stopping you. The ergonomic design offers superb balance and comfort. The power is in your hands. Powered by industry-leading arc lithium battery technology, compatible with all Ego Power Plus products. Ego, power beyond belief.
Are you still using a rake to clean up the yard and garden mess? Well, a leaf blower will shave hours off cleaning up your deck, driveway and backyard. And that's not just me blowing hot air. There are many different types of leaf blowers. So how do you know which one's right for you? Well, that all depends on the job you're doing and the size of your yard. There are two different types of blowers. Blowers with centrifugal fans gives you more control in tighter spaces, like paths and patios. And ones with an axial fan are great for moving lots of mess in larger areas. So if you've got paths, patios or decks, this little 18-volt model is a no-brainer. It'll do up to 320 square meters. Now let's put that into perspective. That's all these paths, that yard, the big carport, the driveway, and you're even going to have enough power to do around the pool a couple of times. If you're lucky enough to have a giant backyard or need to move a lot of mess quickly, the 36-volt jet blower is going to be your best friend. Because it's 36 volt, a jet blower like this gives you more power and is equipped with more features than any other models. It's perfect for clearing areas up to 540 square meters. That's 2 tennis courts worth of space. So if you've got a RYOBI blower, you've got an ace. If you want more control, some models have variable speed, turbo boost, even cruise control. Petrol power is a great choice if you have a large area and lots of leaves to clean up. For an area like this, you need a long run time with the freedom to cover a lot of ground. Petrol engines require a little bit more maintenance than battery or electric models, but they're a real workhorse. If you're within 25 meters of a power point, well, an AC model might be more within your liking. AC blowers will pack a heap of power. They can deliver air velocity up to 375 kilometers per hour, so leaves and lawn clippings won't stand a chance. You'll run out of puff before these guys do. There are also blower vacs to consider if blowing away garden mess isn't an option for you. These guys not only pick up the leaves, they turn what was once trash into treasure, because mulched up leaves are gold for your garden. Well, there's our range, and I think it's fantastic. There's a choice for everyone. Now, if you've got a small area or you need accuracy, go for an 18-volt model. For those larger yards, step up to a 36-volt or even a petrol model. If you're not going to stray too far from a power point, you might want to look at an AC model, and if you want to suck up and get rid of these leaves completely, go for a blower vac. Now, with this sort of power at your fingertips, just like these leaves, you're going to be blown away.
RYOBI, a cut above.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.